Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I created this video for people who have been struggling with making high-ticket sales. This is one way you can get those sales, but they're going to come from the back end of this system. So let's get into it. The name of this opportunity is called the Multiple Income Funnel, and it was created by Mac Mills in 2020, so it's a fairly new opportunity. Right after you join and you log in, you'll be taken to this page in your back office. There's a short 3-minute video right here welcoming you to the inside of the funnel. All you have to do is just follow the steps to get everything set up. As you can see right here, step 1 asks you to join our Facebook group so you can get your questions answered and learn what everybody else is doing to get sales. I suggest you skip over step 2 and go straight to step 3 instead and set up your e-wallet so you can get paid. Do not start advertising this system until your e-wallet is set up. And this video will walk you through how to do that. So just click this button to set everything up. Next, you're going to want to go to step 4 so you can learn where everything is in your back office. A lot of the questions that people ask in our Facebook group can be answered if they just watch this video and take the tour. Now, after your e-wallet is done, you can click this button right here to start promoting the system. So what you're going to want to do is go to the links tab up here at the top and select a capture page that you want to advertise. Right here are 2 Facebook capture pages that you can use. When a lead enters their name and email, they'll be taken to this video sales page. You also have 3 additional capture pages that correspond with one of these video sales letters. This one has a countdown timer and this one does not. And right here is an ebook that you can advertise with or without the video on the page. I've used both and got leads from each one of them. If we scroll back up to the top, this is where you can create a tracking link so you can tell where all your leads are coming from. So you're going to select a capture page, choose a video sales letter, and then type in the name of the tag. If we come over to leads, you can look under the tracking tag to see the source that got you the lead. You can see right here that I have leads from my lead gen secret, which can be found under the bonus income streams. This one is from Traffic Authority. This is a safe list that I use, and then there's a few other places I advertise, and I will share those with everyone who joined my team. As you can see right here, I have pages and pages of leads just from promoting this funnel because it's highly responsive. If we go back up to the top and click on the Resources tab, you can find some email swipes that you can add to your autoresponder if you have one. And when you advertise the capture pages that I just showed you, the system is going to send emails to all your leads for 35 days. So you don't need an autoresponder when you get started. I wasn't doing any follow-up when I first got started, and I just let the system take care of it, and I was still able to make sales. If you have a blog or a web page, then you can grab some of these banners right here. Okay, and if you want to post some ads in Facebook, either in a Facebook group, on your timeline, or in Instagram, you can grab one of these images right here. And then under the Facebook post is an example of a Facebook text ad. And you can post it on your wall. Just make sure not to post it word for word. You want to edit it so that it's unique. Okay, the training tab is where you're going to spend most of your time. Okay, you're going to learn how to use free methods to advertise your business. You don't always have to pay for advertising. There's a lot of stuff you can do for free, but just keep in mind that it may take a little longer to get a commission. But if you stick with it, you will eventually get there. And finally, the bonus income streams is where you can find additional ways to make money with this system. With my lead gen secret, this is where my first sale came from, actually. They start you out with 100 leads every day. And if you refer just one person, then they're going to bump that up to 200 leads a day. A lot of us are using this system in our Facebook group. It costs $60 to get started with My Lead Gen Secret. And then you pay $30 a month after that. So it's just $60 for your first month. And like it says here, you have the ability to earn monthly residual income, 5 levels deep, plus a $100 bonus if you refer 5 people in the same week. So this is an affordable way to get paid traffic to your business. Over here we have Scalability Pro, which is a product that you access from inside Traffic Authority. So if you come over here to the Traffic tab, the multiple income funnel is connected to Traffic Authority. This is the other paid advertising that you can use if you want to get off to a fast start. You can click the link below this video to create a free account and purchase your traffic whenever you get ready. Now, once you get inside the system, just go to the products icon. And right here at the top of the menu, you'll find Scalability Pro. Now, this product is not free. It costs $997. However, Traffic Authority is known for having different promotions. The last one included Scalability Pro for free. So look out for that when you create your account with Traffic Authority. The Income Accelerator is additional training about how to increase your income. And this product is free of charge. Okay, so there are 3 modules of training that they are offering at the moment. Now let's talk about the money that you can make for a second. If you go back to the multiple income funnel and click the Start Here link, then click on step number 2. This is where you can find some additional income streams. So for income stream number 1, this will be completed when you purchase the multiple income funnel and pay either $49 a month, or you can pay $350 for an annual membership. You'll earn $20 for each monthly membership. But if you upgrade and become a yearly member, not only will you earn $20 a month for the monthly members, but you'll also earn $200 for anyone who becomes a yearly member. If you are a monthly member where you're only paying $49 a month, then you're only going to be able to earn $20 a month. So if you enroll someone who decides to get the yearly membership, and you're only on the monthly membership, then that $200 commission is going to be passed up to someone who has the yearly membership. So keep that in mind when you get started. Income stream number 2 is another way you can make money by joining Easy One Up. Now, this is optional. So for people who want to make more than $20 or $200, then you can just watch this video and it'll tell you what to do to join. Your commissions will range from $25 all the way up to $2,000 with Easy One Up. Income stream number 3 is also optional. This is a text bot program where you can earn $100 commissions for each person who decides to get the text bot program. So just watch this video to get more information about it. And then if you come over here to income stream number 4, this is Traffic Authority and where you will set it up. So just watch the video and then create your free account. And that's pretty much a brief overview of the entire system. I just want to reiterate that all that's required for you to get started with the multiple income funnel is to just go to step 1 and join the Facebook group, and then go to step 3 to set up your e-wallet. After your e-wallet is set up, you're going to go here and grab a link for a capture page. And then last thing is to drive traffic to the page that you chose. So if you want to use paid traffic, then you go to the bonus income stream and buy My Lead Gen Secret. Or you could go to step 2, create a free Traffic Authority account, and then buy one of the traffic packages there. Now, if you would rather use free traffic sources, just click on the Resources tab and select Training. and watch some of the videos back here about how to promote your page for free. I suggest you start right here with the 7 steps of success and then find a method that interests you. If you're low on funds, just earn some money first by promoting the multiple income funnel and then go back and sign up for Easy One Up and TechSpot later. You can still make money without them. I tell everybody to get in where you fit in. So you can start making money right now, and then you can earn your way into those other streams later on. So here's a recap of the money that can be made with the multiple income funnel. You're going to receive either $20 or $200 for the system, $25 to $2,000 from Easy One Up, $100 from TechSpot, $50 to $3,200 from Traffic Authority, $5 to $10 from My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, just go ahead and click the link below and get the system today. See you next time.